is up? It's Patti Allred here, North Carolina. Hey, I'm hopping in here because I have a question. I am going to revamp and get my course back up and going again, the Clear Online Income Now system. And here's what I want to do. I want to invite, I'm thinking 5. I may go 7, but I'm thinking 5 of you that would like to join me for the first relaunch of the course. And what the heck, let's just do it for nothing. I'll do it for you for 0 if you will participate in at least 5 of the sessions that I'm going to be recording. Okay? If you're interested in it, and what we'll be doing is going over many different types of ways to make money online. What I have a passion to do is just help you make money online. You know, whether it be with social media or working as a VA or whatever. It's really, this course is designed to help migrate those together with the side hustle that you would love doing. So what I would ask you to bring to the table is just your questions. I just want you to come and be you. Let me know what you're doing, where you are, what you're looking for. Let's get you on the right path so we can help many others do the same thing. This is, I'm looking at mid-August, mid to maybe late August into actually getting this going. So you've got a little while, and the sessions will be 45 minutes to an hour, and they will be probably done at different times, as I don't have a set schedule every day because I have different ones coming in and out. So it will be done at different times, but you will know in advance so you can be on. They will be recorded and they will be shared. So this is something that I will be sharing with many people. So if you are looking for someone to mentor you, to guide you, to coach you, and to help you find that